This is a used 2004 Saturn Vue. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include electric trunk, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, roof rails, cruise control, keyless entry, privacy glass. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, independent suspension, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. River Valley Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 850 Fern Drive, Baldwin, Wisconsin 54002.